How to remove incognito mode in Google Chrome permanently. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to fix or remove incognito mode in Google Chrome permanently. So let me just tell you this at beginning, there is no any option to completely or permanently disable the incognito mode since this is a built-in function inside of Google Chrome browser. But if you have opened your incognito mode, then you can just disable this by simply copying over to this option notification section over here and just tapping on this close all incognito tabs, and you will be automatically closing all of the incognito tabs available to you. But you cannot directly or completely permanently disable these options since it's a built-in function. You may use third-party application, but I do not recommend it because it's mostly scam. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.